Hivyo tunawaambia mabibi na mabwana wetu wote Nairobi.
Better place for that. Complain about the mattress.
We came here because of the Harvest Festival. That is an event that we host every year just before the show starts. Show now is about 5 days to time, and it was time to come for that Harvest Festival. It helps people outside Nairobi through the media and so on and so forth to know that the show is on, and also to contribute to the society as a token of appreciation that the Lord has been so good to us. We were able to do some harvest, that we are able to stock and give some to the society. And therefore, part of that is Harvest Festival, and also to remind the show goers, many of them who have been with us for a long time, that it is time for the show, and also to come and discuss how we are going to deal with the climate problem so that we can be able to sustain a good economic growth.
Then we seek to align ourselves with the national government's agenda, and 3 areas that we pick and address adequately at the trade fair would be areas in agriculture, SMEs, as well as the housing sector. How do we play our role in those various sectors? For housing, we have provided space for showcasing affordable housing technologies that we will be able to showcase that. Therefore, we don't just need to wait for the national government to run its ambitious program. As entrepreneurs, as business people, we can go out there and pick those technologies and be able, again, to construct those houses.
Climate change is real, and there are a lot of efforts which is being made by the government, private sector, and institutions like ASK to be able to bring solutions which the farmers would be able to use in their farm to be able to adapt and mitigate against climate change.